Hey guys, what's going on? Sorry for the leave of absence. I've been in California visiting some family. I was in San Luis having some good times. If you want to follow me along in those journeys, make sure to follow me on Instagram. That way, if I might not be posting a video on YouTube, you can follow me there. That being said, me being gone for a week, my neck and my beard have gone a little crazy. So I'm going to show you guys a little hack how to bundle up your beard, find a nice line for your neck that we can go and use a razor to shave and clean everything up to have that proper neckline. Now we're gonna jump right into this, and the first thing we're gonna need is going to be a hairband. If you have a wife or some girls, they're gonna be easy to find. If not, go down to your local pharmacy. They'll have some of these really cheap. And so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take our beard, we're gonna bundle it up, and this is gonna work especially for us beardsmen who have a longer beard. What we're gonna do is we're pretty much gonna ponytail our beard up, okay? I wanna get everything as much as we can into the ponytail as we can, and we're just gonna wrap it up. That way we can give ourselves a good definition of where our neckline needs to lay. Now that I've got my beard all pointed forward, now we can see where our neckline is and what we need to clean up. Now for me, what I wanna do is, this area right here needs to be clean. So all I want to do is, this makes a good reference of where the square needs to happen. So as you guys can see, this part of my neck needs to be cleaned up, and this part of my neck needs to be cleaned up all the way through. As you guys can see, all the way through, this needs to be cleaned up, and a major spot right here too as well that needs to be cleaned up. For you guys that know me, that I love to have that hangman's noose, my biggest struggle right now is that area, because this isn't as long as I can to put it into the ponytail, same as the other side. We just have this little bit of the fluff. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually just gonna follow the line as I have it naturally put in to this shape. So I wanna leave it just like that, and then we're just gonna follow these lines. So let's get out our favorite razor, let's moisten everything up, and let's start shaving. Now for this shape, I'm gonna be using Artist Man's shaving cream. A lot of people don't know that not only do they sell beard oil, but they do sell shaving products. So we're gonna open this guy up, and I love the way this one smells. It's actually a nice cream. We're just gonna pull off a little bit here, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply. Now that we're all set up, we're ready to go, we have our beard all tied up, and we actually have a line that we have right here that we're gonna follow. And I'm just gonna put my hand right here so I don't screw up too much, but we're just gonna put it right there, and then we're gonna follow the line. And look, we're actually doing a nice stellar job just with that little run right there. We're gonna keep going. We're just gonna follow that line right under here. And see, what I'm actually doing is I'm growing out this portion of my neck where I usually cut on the hangman's noose. This will be a nice add-on to the beard, which actually gives it girth and length for everything to be blending in. Because sometimes if this gets a little crazy and we don't clean this area up, everything looks like it's all blended in, and we get that big nasty hobo-y look. So now's a good time. We can actually take down our beard and pull it down, and then we'll kind of just let it out a little bit. But as you guys can see, look how much cleaner it is right here on the side, and we kept that dense girth right here, that nice thick portion of our beard on both sides right here. So through our daily activities, if we're looking around, we're moving around, no matter what direction we're looking or we're positioning our head, everything's nice and clean with these sharp, nice lines that we've created. And to finish everything off, let's go ahead and apply just a little bit of beard balm. We'll do this once again from Artiest Man. And I'll do this in another video, but I want to show you guys actually how to straighten your beard without the hair dryer. With the summer heat coming along, the last thing I want to do is blow dry my beard because the beard gets so hot and the heat stays in there. I've been actually doing a nice technique of straightening my beard without having to use heat, and it's been working really well. So I'll do that in probably one of the next videos. So all in all, we did a great job. We cleaned up our neck section of our beard all the way through. And with this cut, we didn't do the hangman's noose because our beard is getting so long, we don't have to worry about it anymore. And this is a nice hack for the longer beardsmen. For you guys who are in your 3rd or 4th month, you probably got about a month or 2 to go before you're gonna be able to start putting it in within a band. For you guys that have a wicked speed of growth on your beard, hey, you never know, you might hit it within that 3 months. But this is a good way to actually just put your hair in place, so that way we can use those lines of our razors or our clippers to make everything look nice and neat. So hopefully this helps you guys out within those times of cuts and trims. Just an easy way to clean everything up. So now that I'm back from vacation, let's shoot for a Monday video. I got a Honest Ape beard review for you guys, so make sure to check around on Monday's video. Like always, guys, like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!